just gotta beat it in, you know? You know what? Let me tighten up the Crocs. You know?
Yeah, put it on sports mode.
Exactly. Put it on BCX games. There we go.
Shit out of the way.
Yeah, I hate that shit.
I hate when you get a socket or a tool.
Oh, yeah, it's on your back.
Not on my hands. I haven't gone through that yet.
I left it on the seat and I missed one. And I was fucking going to go fucking smoke. Oh, man.
That's hella funny.
Yeah, dude.
You were like, now I have someone that can relate.
Fuck.
You were like, now I have someone that can relate with me. Is it tightening? Let me feel this. Let me feel the tranny. It's the only trannies I fuck with. Look, I got these small ass hands.
Don't use doctor gloves for mechanics.
These are one of my favorite gloves for sure. I don't even know the name of them, but if I did, I always have it in the video description. But yeah, these go hard. I like them, and I reuse them too.
Make sure you use the affiliate links, guys.
Yeah.
Top bolt.
You will spend the whole day just for one starter bolt.
I spent a whole month. Hey, I'm not a mechanic. I'm just a dumb carpenter, guys. Just a dumb carpenter.
Nah, it's cool, bro. Hey, you gotta start somewhere. That's good, yeah. I'll show you right now.
Oh, you son of a bitch.
What happened?
I just smacked this shit out of my head with the mirror, dude.